Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm back with another video and another haircut. This one's a little bit overdue, but my Tucker 48, a 3D printed car, is finally done. After the amount of trauma and PTSD that car has gone through, it is finally done. I've stripped it twice, dropped it twice, repainted it 6 times. It is finally done. So let me take you over to the photo booth and I will show you up close what it looks like right now. Okay, here it is, the 1948 Tucker designed by Redwheels and by Iceman Collections, and it is finally done. This thing does weigh a good couple pounds. So I mean, it is solid resin. It goes together beautifully. I mean, there's really no problems with this kit except for a couple of pieces that are extremely small, especially for my fingers and tweezers. Like the antenna right here is extremely small, and like the locks and stuff like that, it's just itty bitty pieces. The inner side panels that slide into the body right here, the moldings in the body have to be sanded away, about 1/4 inch on both sides. And then the piece that goes back here that does the little wraparound, both of those sides have to be sanded off just to make it fit. But other than that, there's really no problems with this. It goes together very nice. The only issue is pretty much the person making it and the paint. And it all started when my camera first fell on this thing and I was trying to paint it the first time. But the white walls I painted, I used a little guide that came with it. Those tires were black, completely black, and I just used a little guide that they sent me with the kit and a little stencil, and I just painted the white over it and it turned out perfect. So I'm like 90% happy with this, because I know there's still some things wrong with it, but unless you're gonna point them out, I am not gonna really say them because I see them just like looking at this. But other than that, without knowing everything that has happened to this, I'm happy it's finally done. So I did go and see the real thing. Theirs was like a metallic olive green with the interior olive green. It was really nice. Mine's obviously metallic blue with beige ivory inside. But I glued everything on with Mod Podge, and everything does have like an indentation or a pinned a hole, so everything does fit exactly where it's supposed to go. So it's a really nice 3D printed kit, and it's been a bit long overdue for trying to get done, but I'm happy with it. I'm gonna go put it somewhere where it can never be touched again. And when I took the photos of this, I realized I didn't put the exhaust pieces on. So in the photos, that's missing, and I also have some garbage on one of the windows, but I went in there and I took all that out and changed it. So here it is, all fixed up. Thank you guys for watching the video, clicking on it. I do appreciate everybody who likes, comments, and subscribes. All my new subscribers, thank you. And I will see you on the next.